Hello ladies, welcome to Kala Mandir. Hope everyone is doing safe. Yes, by looking at the background you might be guessed right now that Kala Mandir has introduced dress materials live collection as well. So without any further delay, let's get started with our live show. And the first dress material we are seeing here, it is in beige color, all over body with jute cotton design, and we have got the border with thread work in white color, and we have got jute cotton dupatta chunni for this dress material. The beautiful beige colors dress material we are seeing now, and for this bottom we have got beige color pure cotton bottom. Pricing details of this dress material. Item code AH70, actual price 2390, after flat 50% discount you can get this at 1200 rupees only. Yes, we are having the flat 50% discount in our today's first dress materials live collection. Yes, moving on to the next dress material, which is white and red color, all over body with paisleys design in red color, and here we have got a design with mirror stone works and paisleys design as well in the red color. And here comes the chunni with red and white stripes, and we have also got the border. And coming to the bottom, we have got printed cotton bottom in red color. And here are the pricing details. AH50, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Yes, the beautiful cotton white and red color dress material you can grab at 850 only. And yes, we have got one more color in the same pattern, which is white and navy blue color combination, all over body with paisleys printed design in navy blue and stone work as well, mirror work. And here we have got the same patch border here with mirror work and the paisleys as well. And here is the chunni, which is white and blue color combination, border as well, and the cotton printed bottom as well. Pricing details. Item code AH49, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next material, which is in black and red color combination. The top design printed cotton we have got, and here we have got the buttons as well with multicolors. And for this we have got multicolored printed chunni or dupatta, and the border also with multicolor florals design. And coming to the bottom, we have got plain contrast bottom for the dress material. Here are the pricing details. Item code AH76, offer price actual price 1650, offer price 830. We are with flat 50% discount, and the beautiful cotton dress materials we are seeing today. Coming to the next one. Yes, coming to the next one, we are seeing light grey and pink color dress material. We have got floral thread work floral design here and here as well. Coming to the pallu, we have got printed pallu with florals and lines design, and also the beautiful tassels in white color. And it has got pure cotton plain bottom in grey color. And the pricing details are: item code AH45, actual price 1950, after flat 50% discount you can get this at 980 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on to the next dress material. navy blue and multicolor combination dress material. All over body we have got floral printed design in multicolors, white, green, grey and red color. Coming to the bottom design, we have got paisleys with stone work in green and peach color and the mirror work as well. For this we have got multicolored dupatta, grey, white and peach color along with the border, and it has got the plain contrast bottom. Pricing details. Item code AH77, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next dress material. Black and red color, all over body with printed design and the bottom buttons as well. 3 multicolored buttons we have got here and the border also, and we have got multicolored printed dupatta or chunni for this dress material, and the bottom is pure cotton red color bottom we have got. Pricing details. Item code AH73, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, wow, moving on to the next superb dress material with multicolors, yellow and multicolors you can see here, mustard, green, blue, pink, whatnot. So all over the body. For the top we have got digital print design along with the mirror work as well in between, and it has also got the border with red and gold zari. And this, for this dress material, the chunni we have got with red chunni along with the border and printed design as well, and the bottom is contrast plain bottom. Here comes the pricing details. Item code AH51, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on to the next dress material, which is white and blue color, navy blue and white color, top with printed cotton with the mirror work, and coming to the here we have got thread work design, the beautiful thread work in white color, and here is the chunni or dupatta for this with white thread work along with the stones work and the mirror work as well, and it has got the bottom with printed cotton white color and the blue color polka dots as well. Pricing details. Here are the pricing details. Item code AH71, actual price 2150, after flat 50% discount 1080 rupees. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Wow, see how beautiful it is. Moving on to the next dress material. Yes, now we are seeing mustard color dress material. The top we have got floral printed design along with the mirror work in the florals, and also this lines design as well along with the mirror work. And for this, the chunni, beautiful silk chunni we have got along with this printed border, and in the edges we have got this 2 hangings as well, and we also got the border for this top. And coming to the bottom, we have got cotton printed bottom in the mustard color. Here comes the pricing details. Item code AH49, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only after flat 50% discount.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for news feed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
We have got one more color in the same pattern, which is pink color. Yes, all over body we have got floral print along with mirror work. And coming to the dupatta, we have got printed dupatta with hangings in both the edges. Here comes printed bottom for this dress material, and the pricing details are beautiful cotton pink color dress material we are seeing with printed design in multicolors and the mirror work design as well. And here are the pricing details. Item code AH55, actual price 1650, offer price 830. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next dress material, which is in yellow and cream color. Yellow and cream color dress material we are seeing. The top design is with the thread work and floral booties also in thread work. It has got the border as well and this finishing as well in beige color. And coming to the chunni, we have got beautiful beige color chunni with thread work. And this patch border in mustard color. This has got the bottom, silk bottom in mustard color, plain silk bottom. Pricing details, item code AH40, actual price 2250, after flat 50% discount 1130. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next beautiful dress material, which is grey color. We are having flat 50% discount today in our dress materials collection. We are seeing the cotton dress materials collection with flat 50%. Shipping is free all over India. COD is available all over India. Now we are seeing grey colored dress material. Coming to the body, we have got sequence work design in yellow and red color, and chunni, silk printed chunni, floral printed chunni, very pretty. And coming to the bottom, we have got plain running bottom with cotton blend. Pricing details, item code AH65, actual price 1650, offer price 830. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Flat 50% discount and cotton dress materials collection. And here comes another color, one more color in the same pattern, which is peach color. We are seeing sequence work design. Yes, we are seeing the sequence design work, and here thread work in gold zari, yellow red multi combination. And here comes the dupatta for this, printed dupatta with multicolors, and running bottom for this in the running color, which is peach color. And the pricing details, item code AH64, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299, also in the description below. Also in the description below, all the links of this, all the dress materials will be given. Just click on your favorite saree, favorite dress material code link, and it will direct you to our website. From there you can shop easily. And yes, for more collection in the dress materials as well, do visit www.kalamandir.com. and yes, do not forget to follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir, and YouTube Kalamandir as well. Also hit on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos and collections as well. So much of information. Now moving on to the next dress material. Dark green color dress material we are seeing now. All over the body with cotton blend work in sequence, and we have got this patch border also along with the stone work. Dark green color dress material. And coming to the dupatta, we have got plain silk dupatta along with this patch border in multicolors, and the same patch border is given here to the border, top border, and the bottom printed cotton bottom we have got. Plain silk dupatta for this with the patch border, multicolored border. We have also got the same border to the top, and it has come up with printed bottom. Pricing details. Item code AH60, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. You can grab this beautiful dress material after flat 50% discount at 830 rupees only.
హాయ్ హలో, నేను భానుశ్రీని. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి అకేషన్ కళామందిర్కి వచ్చి షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్ ఆల్సో. ప్లీజ్ డూ ఫాలో అస్ ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ కళామందిర్. మన స్టోర్స్ వచ్చేసి తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ కర్ణాటక. మీ దగ్గరలో ఉన్న స్టోర్స్కి వెళ్ళి షాపింగ్ చేయండి. ఐ లవ్ యూ ఆల్.
And grab your favorite dress material, and here we go with another beautiful one, which is in white and multicolored combination. If you look at the top design, we have got multicolored printed floral design, and we have got this paisleys design with the stone work with pink and grey colors. How pretty it is. And here comes the dupatta in multicolors, grey, white and pink, pure cotton dupatta along with this patch border, and it has come up with cotton plain bottom in pink color. Pricing details. Item code AH75, actual price 1950, after flat 50% discount 980 only. This beautiful dress material you can grab it at 980 rupees only. Yes, moving on to the next beautiful dress material, which is cream, which is off white and green color. All over body we have got florals design with thread work in red, peach, orange and green color. And here comes the thread work design again, and here we go with the chunni with multicolored printed floral design in light green color and also patch border as well, and it has got plain cotton cream color bottom. Pricing details are item code AH74, actual price 1950, after flat 50% discount you can get this at 980 only. Take a screenshot of this beautiful dress material along with the item code and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on to the next one with sky blue and white color. In this pattern we have seen grey and white, and this is another one. Coming to the top design, we have got thread work design, florals design, and the pallu, cotton printed pallu floral printed pallu with the hangings, white color hangings, and it has got the plain contrast bottom, cotton bottom. Pricing details. Item code AH46, actual price 1950, after flat 50% discount 980 only. For more collection, do visit www.kalamandir.com and also do follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir and YouTube Kalamandir as well. Yes, we are with flat 50% discount in our today's cotton dress materials collection. And now moving on to the next one, which is red and blue color dress material we are seeing. All over the top we have got digital print and mirror work design along with the border as well with gold zari border, and it has got the dupatta in blue color with printed design and the border as well. It has got the bottom in contrast plain blue color cotton bottom we have got. And the pricing details, item code AH53, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Also in the description below, all these dress materials codes links will be given. Just click on your favorite dress material code link and it will direct you to our website. From there you can shop easily. Moving on to the next one, we have got one more color in the same pattern, which is navy blue and pink color. All over body with printed design and the mirror work as well. Here comes the dupatta in pink color with bandhani dot prints, bandhani prints, and coming to the borders we have got the border as well. And it has also got the border with gold zari and the bottom pink color cotton bottom for this dress material. Here are the pricing details. Item code AH52, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount you can get this at 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Wow. Moving on to the next dress material. Yes, moving on to the next one, mustard and red color. Mustard and red color dress material we are seeing. All over top we have got chanderi silk fabric with thread and sequence work design, and these buttons as well, mustard and red color, and we have got dupatta with sequence and thread work, and bottom contrast plain cotton bottom we have got in red color. Pricing details, AH62, actual price 2010, after flat 50% discount 1010. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on to the next one. Yes, we have seen dark green in this pattern. If you remember, this is the red one, maroon color actually. Yeah. So all over body we have got sequence work design and this patch design as well. Yes. Also we have got the bottom here, border here with the patch border, and here is the chunni, the silk plain chunni along with the multicolored printed patch border, and it has got printed cotton bottom. Pricing details, item code AH61, actual price 1650, after flat 50% discount 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. We are with flat 50% discount in our today's cotton dress materials collection. Yes, here we go with another beautiful off-white and multicolored printed cotton dress material. Yes, the top we have got printed floral work design, and here we have got stones floral design, and here we go with the beautiful cotton printed dupatta for this. And it has got cotton printed bottom. Pricing details: item code AH69, actual price 1950, after flat 50% discount 980 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next one. Teal, olive and green color combination dress material we are seeing. All over body we have got printed design, and coming here we have got thread work with florals design and stones work as well. We have got printed cotton chunni for this. And coming to the bottom, printed cotton bottom. Pricing details: item code AH34, actual price 1950, after flat 50% discount 980 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Such a beautiful cotton collection we are seeing with flat 50% discount. Shipping is free all over India. COD is also available all over India. Yes, now we move to sea green and navy blue color combination dress material. All over the body we have got Chanderi silk fabric with thread and sequence work, and the buttons also we have got 3 buttons here, and the dupatta is a navy blue color with sequence work, and the bottom as plain contrast cotton bottom we have got. Pricing details: AH63 is the item code, actual price 2010, offer price is 1010. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on to the next dress material, light pink color dress material we are seeing, cotton blend with zari work, floral zari work, and near the neck we have got this beautiful thread work design in beige and gold color along with the stone work, and bottom chunni. Yes, as we have been discussing saris all these days, right? So I am habituated to those saris, so please don't mind. Yes, now we are seeing the dupatta, yeah, dupatta, which is in light pink color, looking very stunning with thread work and the gold zari patch border as well. Yes, coming to the bottom we have got plain running cotton bottom for this in pink color. Yes, see, such a beautiful light pink color dress material we are seeing, and the pricing details are: item code AH41, actual price 3600, offer price 1800 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. 9999.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
If you remember, we have seen olive green in the same pattern. Now we are seeing cream color in this pattern. So coming to the top design, we have got printed design in green and red color. And stones work along with the thread work here in black and red color. Here comes the dupatta with printed design, printed circles design, and bottom also with printed one. The pure cotton dress materials we are seeing. Pricing details. Item code AH35, actual price 1950, offer price 980 only. We are with flat 50% discount in our today's pure cotton dress materials collection, and this is the first live collection we are doing with dress materials. Actually, we were doing till now we were doing a dupatta, white pure dupatta. We have pure cotton dupatta, printed design, and coming to the bottom, we have got printed cotton bottom as well. And the pricing details. Item code AH43, actual price 1650, offer price 830. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. For more collection, do visit www.kalamandir.com, and yes, do follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir, and YouTube Kalamandir as well. Yes, shipping is free all over India, and COD, that is cash on delivery, is also available all over India. Moving on to the next one. Yes, moving on to the next one. Of white and sea green combination dress material we are seeing all over the top. We have got printed work, and here thread weaving work design in red and blue color, and also 3 buttons we have got. Here is the dupatta with multicolored printed design, pure cotton printed dupatta we have got, and here is the bottom, cotton plain contrast bottom we have got for this dress material. Pricing details are. Item code AH59, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next one, which is peach and beige color. Yes, this is the second color we are seeing in this pattern. If you remember, we have seen one more color, but I am not sure which color it is, but yeah, we have seen one color in this pattern. This is another one, which is a peach and beige color. All over body we have got thread work design in beige and pink color, and here comes the dupatta with thread work with patch border in peach color, And coming to the bottom, we have got silk bottom. Pricing details. Item code AH38, actual price 2250, offer price 1130 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, such a beautiful collection we are seeing, right? Pure cotton dress materials collection we are seeing with flat 50% discount today. So just grab your favorite dress materials. Do not wait more. We have got such a beautiful color combinations and designs as well. And yes, all are pure cotton dress materials. Moving on to the next one. Yes, here we go with another cream and peach color multicolor cream and peach color combination. Yes, top we have got pure cotton top with mirror work, peach, green, blue multicolored mirror work, pure cotton cream color top we are seeing, and here comes the dupatta, pure cotton dupatta with multicolors, and also printed design here, floral printed design. Coming to the bottom, cotton peach color bottom we have got, and the pricing details are item code AH32, actual price 1950, offer price 980 only. Take a screenshot of this beautiful dress material along with the saree, along with the item code, and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. And yes, you might be hearing the words saree code and pallu and the border for a couple of dress materials, because I have been doing the live collection for sarees, right? So yeah, just do not misunderstand. Yes, let's move to the next dress material. Yeah, here we go with another one. Yes, this pattern also we have seen cream and orange color we have seen in this pattern, and this is cream and pink color dress material in the same pattern. Yes, here we have got cut dana work design with thread work as well, and dupatta, cotton printed chunni, pure cotton dress materials we are seeing. And yes, coming to the bottom, we have got printed cotton bottom for this dress material. The pricing details are item code AH44, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, here comes one more color in this pattern. We have seen cream and peach color, right? Now we are seeing cream and sea green color combination dress material. Yes, coming to the body design, we have got mirror work design along with the thread work, and yes, cotton printed pallu with florals design, cotton printed chunni, yeah, cotton printed chunni we have got, and here we go with the bottom, which is cotton bottom, and the pricing details are item code AH33, actual price 1950, offer price 980 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. We are with flat 50% discount in our today's cotton dress materials collection. Yes, let's move to the next dress material, beige and cream color dress material. We have seen pink in this earlier, beige and pink. Now it is beige and cream color, top with chandari silk thread work design, and here comes the chunni with chiffon thread work design, and coming to the bottom, silk bottom we have got in cream color. Pricing details, item code AH39, actual price 2250, offer price 1130 only. Beautiful cotton printed dress materials we are seeing with flat 50% discount. And yes, here we go with one more dress material, which is yellow and white color dress material, color combination dress material we are seeing now. All over the top we have got printed design and thread work design as well here. And we have got floral chunni for this in navy blue, floral printed beautiful chunni, silk chunni with hangings. Hangings in white color, navy blue printed floral chunni we have got for this. And coming to the bottom, we have got pure cotton bottom in light yellow color. And the pricing details are item code AH31, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes, moving on to the next dress material, and yes, we have seen one pattern with olive green color. This is another one with olive green color, pure cotton dress material. All over body we have got printed circles design, and see, look at here, the mirror design, mirror work also we have got, small mirror and then a little big one, and then these beautiful hangings. This is repeated here, like total 3 designs we have. And for this, the pallu, sorry, the chunni, printed chunni, and coming to the bottom, printed bottom. Pricing details, item code AH67, actual price 1950, offer price 980 only.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live video.
If you remember, we have seen white and light yellow in this pattern. Just before this dress we have seen white and yellow in this, right? So now what is a white and navy blue color. Top we have got a floral print design and this thread work design as well with sequence work. And here is the dupatta with floral printed design along with the hangings in white color. Coming to the bottom, pure cotton bottom with light blue color. And the pricing details are item code AH30, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Also in the description below, all these dress materials codes links will be given. Just click on your favorite dress material code link and it will direct you to our website. From there you can shop easily. And yes, we are open now and our stores are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka as well. If you want to get to see the collection directly or if you want to feel the fabric also, do visit. And yes, now we are open. Moving on to the next dress material. Light peach color, top with zari, floral booties, and here we have got stone work with thread work design and sequence work as well. Here comes the chunni with pure chiffon thread work design. The beautiful chiffon thread work chunni we have got for this. And coming to the bottom, we have got plain cotton bottom. Pricing details, item code AH42, actual price 3600, offer price 1300 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Shipping is free all over India and COD is also available all over India. Yes, moving on to the next one. Yes, we have seen olive green in this pattern, right? So now it is a cream color dress material in this pattern, all over body with printed circles design in red and brown color, and Kardana mirror work with the hangings, dupatta with printed design, chiffon dupatta we have got, and coming to the bottom we have got cotton printed bottom for this dress material. And the pricing details are item code AH66, actual price 1950, offer price 980 only. Yes, take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. We are with flat 50% discount in our today's collection. Yes. Moving on to the next beautiful dress material, which is cream and yellow, light cream and yellow color combination dress material we are seeing. Coming to the body, we have got printed design and thread work design as well. Along with the buttons, we have got 3 buttons here, and here we go with the chunni, multicolored printed chunni. And coming to the bottom, we have got plain cotton bottom in yellow color. Pricing details, item code AH57, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Pure cotton dress materials collection we are seeing with flat 50% discount. Yes, shipping is free all over India and COD is also available all over India. Yes, moving on to the next one, light blue color dress material we are seeing. Coming to the top design, we have got printed multicolored floral design, and here gotapati work along with the buttons. We have got pure chiffon chunni for this, along with the patch border, and bottom printed cotton bottom. The pricing details are item code AH36, actual price 1490, offer price 750 only. Yes, take a screenshot of this beautiful dress material along with the item code. Share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Such a beautiful sky blue color dress material we have seen, right? Yes, few more on our way. Yes, here we go. We have seen cream and green color combination with this pattern. Now what is cream and red color combination dress material, the pure cotton one. Yes, coming to the top design, we have got printed floral design with kardana work and stones as well. And here comes the chunni for this with printed work, printed design. Yes, and the bottom printed cotton bottom we have got. The pricing details are item code AH68, actual price 1950, offer price 980 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes. So yeah, just before seeing this dress material, we have seen one, right, which is sky blue color with this is another color combination in the same pattern, light yellow color, all over body with printed floral design, gotapati border with buttons along with the stones as well, and pure chiffon chunni for this with the border, printed border, bottom printed cotton bottom we have got. And the pricing details are item code AH37, actual price 1490, offer price 750 only. Yes, moving on to the Yes, moving on to the last dress material from today's collection, which is the cream color. All over body with thread work design and these buttons here and the printed floral printed. On top of it we have got buttons here, three buttons, and we also got the border, multicolored printed border for the to the top, and here is the chunni with multicolored floral printed design along with the patch border in cream color. And for this we have got the beautiful printed cotton bottom. The pricing details are item code AH72, actual price 1650, offer price 830 only. Take a screenshot and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Yes. So this is the beautiful cotton dress materials collection we have. Hope you liked this collection also, and yes, hope you support this dress materials concept as well, like how you are supporting us on this sarees collection live shows. We are expecting the same support from your end on for this new concept, which is dress materials concept as well. Hope you like the collection. Yes, I'll explain the ordering process once again. Take a screenshot of the dress material that you like along with the item code and share us on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. And yes, also in the description below all the dress materials codes links will be given. Just click on your favorite dress material code and it will direct you to our website. From there you can shop very easily. Yes, as Kala Mandir has introduced video calling facility as well. Just book an appointment at your feasible and flexible time. You can get to see the collection that we have at our stores and warehouse as well. Yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time in joining us today. Tomorrow we'll come up with another beautiful collection in front of you. Until then, keep smiling and keep purchasing at Kala Mandir. At most, stay safe, stay home and stay healthy. This is your Yadri signing off for today. Namaste.
హాయ్ హలో, నేను భానుశ్రీని. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి అకేషన్ కళామందిర్కి వచ్చి షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్ ఆల్సో. ప్లీజ్ డూ ఫాలో అస్ ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ కళామందిర్. మన స్టోర్స్ వచ్చేసి తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ కర్ణాటక. మీ దగ్గరలో ఉన్న స్టోర్స్కి వెళ్ళి షాపింగ్ చేయండి. ఐ లవ్ యూ ఆల్.